If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making the 56th holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making Jagannath Ballav. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are about 1 cup of wheat flour or atta, quarter cup of clarified butter or ghee, half a cup of sugar and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Now take a pan and add all the ghee followed by the wheat flour. Now the heat should be on low flame, else the wheat flour will burn quickly. So to prevent that, keep it on low flame and roast the wheat flour for roughly about 4-5 minutes. And once it's turned a little golden color, transfer this into a bowl. Then in the same pan, add about quarter cup of water and the sugar. And over high flame, boil this for roughly about 2-3 minutes until the sugar is dissolved completely. Then to that, add about a teaspoon of a powder of some cloves and 1 black cardamom, which I forgot to mention in the ingredients. So stir it and lower the flame to low. Then add all the roasted wheat flour and quickly combine this, because the sugar will get stiff soon. So always remember, combine this when the gas is still on. Now switch off the flame and as quickly as possible, transfer this onto a plate or any type container you wish to make Jagannath Ballav in it. So take the container and transfer all the mixture. And with the help of the spatula or a ladle, spread it to the corners and tightly flatten it. But again keep in mind, you have to do this as quickly as possible, because the sugar will get stiff in a blink of eye. So once it's done, let it set for at least half an hour. Then after that, take a knife and cut it out. And it should be done. And that's it. One of the Mahaprasad, Jagannath Ballav. So do try it at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.